I'm not a fan of this video where you see the guy telling his life and how he does things, all this, and it's all scripted before, you know. But honestly, I wanted to do it. I'm going to get the new OM-1 by OM System, well, Olympus. So I'm going to DHL to pick the parcel up. So let's carry on. Let's do it. So I never thought I would get that camera that soon, but the company called Digit Photo, they contacted me and they said, a company in France, and they said, oh, you were so enthusiastic when you spoke about the announcement of this new camera that we can send you one. The first one we get here, we send it to you and you can review it and then you send it back. And I said, what's about if I make 4 videos, we speak about in details, features, all that, and I keep it? And they said, okay, let's do that. So I thank them so much. So please, I know you may be not in France, but check their website, it's in the description, and they sell abroad also. So it's similar price or better price than others. So if you don't know where to buy from them, so they will cooperate more often. I don't say they will give me a camera every time, but maybe they send more stuff so you can review really interesting things, okay? I never saw such a slow traffic jam just here. Just today I want to go and pick this up. This is incredible, okay? I'm so nervous. I look like a kid on Christmas Day, honestly. I finally arrived, ready to enter at DHL, so let's go. So still nervous because the package was supposed to get here, and now they misunderstood, and a guy is actually delivering it. So I've called him right now. I'm going to meet with him so he gives me the parcel. Okay, so let's carry on. Well, I'm going to meet the delivery guy at the door of the McDonald's. So let's see if he's there, and this nervous breakdown I'm having right now is stopping, okay? Here's the parcel. Wow, this is really special. To receive a parcel, for me, it's always important, okay? But this is really incredible. So I didn't speak when I was cutting the package because I record in 3 languages, so I could cut only once, so I didn't speak. Now I'm going to speak, so we're going to do an unboxing. I'm not a fan of unboxing, but I think I need to do it to share with you what's in the box, okay? To show you, okay? Honestly, I'm so it's so emotional to get a package like this, and I'm so thankful to Digit Photo for sending me this. This is the first one, and they received 2, and this is the first one they received, and they sent it to me. I'm really thankful, really. So if you want to check the website, there is a link in description. Okay, so let's carry on with an unboxing. Unboxing time. For some people it is a really exciting moment, for others is just a way to check that everything is in the box. So I'm going to discover for the first time with you. Well, actually I opened it before because I charged the battery. Okay, so let's check what's in there, what you get with that camera, with that box, sorry. And you leave part of the excitement I had when I opened it, because honestly it is really great. So time to open the box. I'm covering the serial number, okay? Here's the box. So how do you open it? Well, here you pull here down. Each box has a magic way of opening, okay? This you open this way, and here it goes, and you open here, okay? It writes OM system, OM-1, okay? And here you will find warranty paper, okay? And here you get a basic manual. Yes, I say basic manual because nowadays most brands don't give you a full manual, give you a reduced manual, so you know how to switch on the camera, all this, and then go to the website and you can download the full manual. It comes in many languages, I don't know how many, but wow, many, English is included, okay? And this way you will have the basic information to know how to start it, but don't forget to download the full manual from the website, as most brands are doing right nowadays. If you want to print it, put it on your smartphone or a tablet and read it, okay? But read it, it's important. So let's carry on opening, okay? Then I open one extra cover, and then you get a cable, USB to USB-C, my USB-C to USB-C, but beware. Olympus, well, OM system, OM's digital solution, they always make their own cable. Use this cable. Operation really works with their cable, okay? So sometimes people try other cable, doesn't work properly. So from my experience is don't lose this cable, because this is how everything works fine, okay? Okay. Then you get a small box in here. What's in the box? An empty bag. Empty bag. Yes, there was a battery in here, and Digit Photo was really nice to remove the battery from here and place it in the camera, because when you send batteries to the Canary Islands, they cannot fly, go by plane, they have to go by boat, unless they are inside the device that will use it, like a camera. So it was placed into the camera, so thank you very much. Here then you get what I always complain about, which is a charger that you plug into the wall, and then the wall socket obviously, and then here we disable to the camera. I'm waiting for the charger you can use to charge your battery, removing it out of the camera, but Digit Photo had not received them yet, so they sent me this already this way, which is how it comes in the kit, okay? The other charger is optional charger, so this is the one that is included. And here also I get two things, I'm not sure what it is. On the manual it says some clips for protection for cable and clips. I guess this is to clip the cable, okay? And I guess this is to when you have a HDMI cable or whatever in your camera, because a small screw here, you can lock it so it doesn't move and you don't break it. I'm not sure, I've not read the manual yet, okay? And here I get a strap that I will not use because I actually use Claudia Reyes's straps, okay? So then you get an extra box, which is this black box in here, okay? And out of the box you get a small black bag like this, and here, ooh, bubble protection. Here it is, the OM-1, beautiful. If you look at this black metal, this is incredible. This is like matte. It doesn't actually, my fingerprints don't stay on there. This is beautiful. The feel is incredible, and the smell, wow, yeah, I love it. So I'm not just going to unbox, I'm going to tell you more things right now. Let's carry on. So I've investigated what is this. Well, I think this is brilliant. You know that some people, they connect full-time a USB-C or an HDMI cable because they record external with external recorder or with an external screen or whatever, okay? Or you are shooting tethered or whatever. The problem is sometimes you bang the camera and then you could damage the connector on the cable, but also on the camera. So if it's on the cable, you can buy another cable, but if it's on the camera, that's a serious problem you have to send to the technical service. Okay, so you place this here, okay, there's a space for that, okay, you place it, you remove, okay, and then you just simply screw it, the small screw here, and that's it, okay. So if you place your cable in there, it will, if you bang, you will not break the connector. So I think this is a great little accessory that comes included. Fantastic, okay. And this is a cable clip. Well, this is rolled right now, but if it was free, okay, you would place it this way, okay. So you have like this cable, an HDMI cable next to it. You could actually clip it together, so this way they are protected and they're not hanging anywhere, okay. You can actually hang it somewhere, somewhere, so it keeps all tightened together to protect your camera, that the cable is not moving too much, okay. So the first thing I do then is write down the serial number and register on the website. So just after, I'm going to enter OM Digital Solution to register the camera, and this is important you do this, so they know that this camera is yours, okay. This is really important, okay. Second, I'm going to buy tomorrow or later, I'll check if I can find a screen protector, okay, as I use on my Fujifilm. I put in the video I showed it, I put it, okay, here, okay. Then when I get a new camera, I want to start fresh, so I bought two SD cards. They're maybe not the fastest card. They are SanDisk card, Extreme Pro, 64 gigabyte. I don't like to have larger cards because if you have a problem, you lose everything. Okay, for videos sometimes it's better, but for pictures I prefer 64 than 120 or even higher. Okay, the speed is 170 megabits megabyte per second. Okay, so I got two of these. Then what I do is I switch on the camera, I pick the language. I always put my cameras in English, although I do video in French and Spanish, and I am French. I always put in English because on the internet most information when there's something new is in English. So I check the menu, is really faster for me. Then I put the date and the time, okay, and then I put the copyright, which is here you have copyright and author. Why do you have both? Because let's say this camera would belong to a newspaper and they have several photographers. So, well, they put as a copyright, they would put the name of the newspaper, and each photographer would put his name as author. Okay, I'll put both, and that's it, okay? When I finish this, I will open my computer, connect to the website, and check for a new firmware. I think this is 1.0, I think there is already a new firmware, okay? So I will update the camera firmware. This is important to start really fresh with all the latest options, okay? So that was just a basic unboxing, basic video, but I've got 4 more videos to come. So, well, the idea was when I made the video announcing that the OM-1 was coming out, I'll leave you the link here, it was so special for me and was so happy that Digit Photo, an online shop in France, actually saw the video and they say, you are so enthusiastic that we are going to send you the camera for a week so you can test it, okay? So I said yes, but I am in the Canary Islands, and in the Canary Islands there are some taxes when something comes in, and when I send it back also, so it's a bit complicated. What do you think if I do actually 4 videos about this camera, what it can do, and I keep the camera? And they say, well, okay, so we got some kind of agreement, so I really got this for fantastic, okay? And so I will do 4 more videos. The first one will be a standard review, as I always normally do, okay, explaining my opinion, what I checked, all this, but not in depth of each feature, as I normally do, okay? And then I will do a second video that will be a specific features, photography features, speaking about what you can do with your camera, the specific feature of this camera and other Olympus cameras, because some comes here and they're also in other Olympus cameras, okay? Speak about this. Then I will do a third video that will be the second part of these specific photography features, like live ND, live composite, things like this, okay? To explain everything, how it works, what you can do with it, all this. And then I will make an extra video. The 4th video will be about recording video with this camera. The features, video features this camera has, and I will work on that. So altogether with this unboxing, this is like 5 videos, okay? The agreement was on 4, but I was so happy to get the camera that I made this video you're checking right now, okay? So honestly, I think it's going to be for Olympus people that will, or OM system people, user, they will like it. For non-user, maybe they will think it's too much about this camera, but I will put other kind of videos. So I'm planning to publish every week or every 10 days this specific video. So within a month I will review the full thing. And also I will obviously, as now it's going to be my main camera, you'll see it in other reviews or other things I show and do anyway. Okay. By the way, I've got two OMD EM5 Mark II. I will probably sell one of them and probably get later a second one of this because I normally have two cameras of the same kind. Okay, so if when I work with I have a problem, I can carry on working with the same setting, the same everything. Okay, so well. So this is okay. So honestly, I'm really thankful to Digit Photo because sometimes Olympus Spain sends me some gear to review, but it's always complicated because of sending to the Canary Islands, the tax problem, all this. So sometimes I have to wait a really long time to be able to review anything. So that company, dealer actually contacted me and offered me to have it now and to keep it and work with it. I'm so thankful. So really thank you very much, because it really touches me that they value what I do, and they really like what I do, and they know that many Olympus users would like to have my opinion, and if I don't get the camera I cannot say much more than reading specs. So I'm really thankful. Okay, so thank you very much to them. Thank you very much to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a small button down here, so a small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. I'll also leave you links of my gear on Amazon, links to everything I reviewed by K&F Concept and by Sandmark, and also links to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.